Wow. Is that true? I never heard of that before. Can I have that? That's what I hear every day from somebody about what we call me insurance. That's right, me insurance. It's all about me. You have your home protected, you have your auto protected, but do you have the most valuable thing God gave you protected? You, me. We call it me insurance. It's a new hybrid type of combined policy that's meant to protect us in three important areas of life. Number one, we call it 1, 2, 3 for me. Number one is financial insurance. And financial insurance works different than your auto insurance. With your auto insurance, every time you make a premium payment, you get nothing in return other than the peace of mind of knowing that if you have an accident, you have protection. But up until you have an accident, you have no value to that policy. You don't get a check. There's nothing to benefit you. But with me insurance, the financial portion, the financial protection of me insurance is 2/3 of every payment goes into cash accumulation, a savings account per se for you. So if you spend $100 a month on your me insurance, 70 thereabouts goes to financial accumulation. And after the 36th month, you can use that anytime you need to for anything. Let's just say someone's getting married, you want to send a kid to college, you need to put a new roof on the house, someone stole your wheels on your car and the refrigerator broke down the same week and you've got more month than money and you don't know where you're going to access a few extra dollars, 1,000, 3,000, whatever the case may be, depending on the size of your policy, you can file a claim and get money from your personal me insurance policy. That's called financial protection. It also includes an identity theft protection that can be added to that. Also, with financial protection, if you never access that money, in your golden years, if you leave that there, it accumulates and compounds interest and will be a sizable amount by the time you reach the days of retirement. So it's called financial protection, and with that, you'll never be broke again. It's great. That's one aspect. Number two is life disability insurance. If you, for some reason, get critically injured and or chronically ill or critically ill, you're playing with your kids in the yard, or let's say you're at work or in the car, fall off the roof, you're in the bounce house, whatever the case, and you get injured and now you can't work, how are you going to pay your bills? Well, with disability insurance, you can access and file a claim and get a monthly check to pay your mortgage payment, your car payments, food, kids, so on and so forth. And or if you're critically ill and your doctor tells you, hey man, you've got an illness and it doesn't look like you're going to make it, or you have a stroke or a heart attack or something, a traumatic brain injury, and it happens. Do you know anybody who's had cancer or a stroke? If you think about that, you probably do. And cancer hits 50% of all of us. 1 out of 2 is going to get cancer sooner or later. And so if you have protection against that, you and your family are taken care of should that happen. You can get a monthly check to take care of your bills, or you can get a lump sum. That's your choice with me insurance. It's a great policy. It's a great product. So you have the financial insurance aspect. You have the disability aspect, which is, again, it's chronically ill, or critically injured. And or the third aspect is what we call life insurance. And the wise are always pre-prepared and protected, and their families protected. So wise people buy life insurance. And somebody said the greatest gift you can leave your family once you've passed on is not the flowers and the sympathy cards, but a nice large check. And that they know you took care of them, you thought about them, you were selfless, and you thought ahead. And so me insurance has 3 major components. Number 1, it's the financial insurance. Number 2, it's like disability. Number 3, it's life insurance. And then as an added bonus right now, with a me insurance policy, we can give you a free will written by our in-house attorneys at the insurance company. And that's valued anywhere across the nation from $500 to $1,000, depending on what state you live in. And I recommend that you get involved in me insurance now, because it's really a new hybrid combined government approved policy that most people don't know about. It's taken off. If you have an old insurance policy, quit paying on it, throw it away, get something new that works for you. God bless you. Have a great day.